Off the Wye River that is off of the Eastern Bay in Maryland.
Yeah, see, the Wye River goes all the way up to the outlets. So we are going to fish for perch, which, do you hear that?
Yeah. I think it's a crow.
Watch, we're gonna know in a second. Yeah. Fish crow. It heard the fish crow and the American crow. Let's see, ready?
Well, yeah, I heard the difference between the two.
There's I think tangled hooks.
So last time we came fishing here, we had 2 rods, obviously, and one had a bobber on him, and the one with the bobber didn't catch anything, but the other one caught 4 fish. And we also rotated, so it wasn't just the person using the rod, it was the rod itself.
Down through the hole, up through the hole.
We literally did not need to sit in this. We just sat in this to go 2 feet. We're going right over here.
Bro, can we try to take out the kayak or the canoe?
Yeah.
Like the big ass canoe. Fishy. Fuck you. I'm about to try to get your rod out.
Did you get it? Yeah! Hold on! Ollie just got one. Oh shit.
I'm trying to think of what should we do.
Perch number 1. Put it in the live well.
The crabs will kill it.
Oh. Shit.
Unless, let's check. I was gonna string him along in the water. You know what? I might just give him life.
What? We're supposed to eat.
I know, we're gonna eat the next one.
Okay.
I'm confident. I'm gonna give him life.
All right.
I'm prepared for this.
Allie's giving away our
Love
fucking
you.
dinner. Gosh, just throw him down like that.
I don't know how it's really.
So we've had the most luck down here. We've caught 1 fish down here. So that's why we're gonna keep trying. It's right off the end of here. If we don't catch any more here, then we're gonna move down there, back into the little creek. Here comes Allie on the paddleboard. our lines have been getting stuck on all the trees that are under the water right here. But we have the paddle board, so it makes it easier to get lines stuck that are like in the middle of the water on stupid sticks. Yeah! Fish number 2!
I know, is it so scary for you? Because you're like really close.
Yeah, okay, I gotta jump.
So Hannah, what'd you get there?
Just as we were about to go to a different spot, we got this one. This is probably the biggest one we got. So we're definitely keeping this and making food, bitches.
Yeah, next time you see this guy, it'll be
Our dinner.
oh, that's like...
Alright guys, so we have 2 little fishies in there. So, how many of yours in the bucket? I'm pretty sure you caught 5. I caught 2. Allie caught 5.
I caught one on the dock, and I caught one all the way back there. I caught another one right here, and then I caught...
The center of this little creek is where we've had our best luck. Yes, we do.
This is deep. Only 2.
2 in that one. Motherfucker.
Oh my god. Whoever did this left the cage open.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well that one only has 1 because user error.
I'm just gonna throw him back. Okay.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2,
Just throw this one back too.
3, 4, 5.
Just unloading. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Hell yeah.
That's some large crabs.
People will pay good $80 for that at a restaurant.
No, literally.
So these are actually live wells, guys. They don't catch the crabs, they just keep the crabs in there. So that when you get like 1 or 2 in these, you just transfer them into the big one so that you could bring out big loads of crabs at a time and not just 1 or 2 and then they die, because...
Oh look, there's a female!
Right there, guys, is a girl. You can tell by the undershell, but you really
You can also tell by the claws, the red claws.
Oh yeah, and the red. That's a frog. Mosquitoes this past week have been like really terrible.
It's not mosquitoes for me, it's no-see-em. Anyone know what a no-see-em is? Because you don't see them.
No sale.
Keep vlogging.
How do you feel about today?
You know, I feel really good. This reminds me, fun fact, there's a video of me talking after a fishing tournament. This is what it reminds me of. But it wasn't. It was way worse because they shoved the camera in my face and they were like talking. And it happened to me, Hannah. Today was probably, I would rate it like literally a 10 out of 10, honestly.
Yeah.
I thought it was a 10 out of 10. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Even if we didn't catch fish, it would be a 9 out of 10 because it's so, the views here. You just need to get started. Is everything right? Oh, this cardboard. Thank you for everything. I appreciate your sacrifice.
Poor guy.
I know. I feel so bad. Somehow. Hot as a motherfucker. Oh my god. Oh, there's still a lot of blood in him. Maybe he isn't done cooking.
Okay guys, here's our final fish.
Let me see it. Chunks of meat.
Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, it's at the...
That's the spine. Stay in mind, little bones, just in case.
Oh. This is something else. Let me tell you that. This...
Anna caught this fish, guys. Like, there's the organs. Trying to get them out.
The Old Bay literally makes it taste like crab meat. Like big chunks of crab meat. All we put on it is Old Bay.
Yeah, nothing else.
And this is probably the best fish I've ever had. That's because the fire though. Because it's cooked on the fire. And it's literally fresh.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Give it a second to focus on that. That was dark.
Look at this meat, guys. This is what we're working with. It's like small, obviously. It's a part.
I wish we had like 10.
I know.
Right off the bone.
Regretting throwing out the little one.
Holy shit, I need to put this camera